Morning folks, so it's Sunday the 27th of April 2025. I've got a nice little project which you guys might be interested in. It's great for children as well. We're going to grow some hollyhocks. Now, it's a great way of introducing children to nature and gardening, and hollyhocks are a really good one to choose. As the seed is quite large, so that even young children can sort of pick up the seeds and plant them, and they get a real feel, an organic feel of actually doing the work instead of watching their parents do it or whoever's with them. So yeah, we're going to grow some hollyhocks. I do like a hollyhock. It's a lovely showy plant, gets up to like 2 meters high. Hollyhocks are biennial, which is you grow them, you sow the seed in the first year, then they grow, the vegetated growth is in the first year, then they flower the second year. Sometimes they persist a bit longer, and then they set seed freely as well, so that's really good. But look, you can do it on a budget. You don't have to have loads of money to do this. I'm doing it on a little budget version here. We got one of those old Chinese containers. We've got ordinary soil from the garden, which you can use, because you can grow them directly in the soil in the garden as well. I've chosen this way, and I can secure the seedlings a bit better. So yeah, get yourself a little container like that. You can use seed trays, obviously, pots. You can use any sort of container you want, really. And put the soil in. And then what we're going to do now, we're going to get a pencil. And we're just going to make a few little holes in there like that one. We'll just put a few in like that. How many can we get in? There's 3. I'm not going to overcrowd this. We're going to plant 9 seeds in this one. So I'm just going to pause a minute. Right, so there's the seeds. So you can get your child or whoever, if you're doing it, that's fine. Just drop an individual seed in the little hole. It's like a 1/2 inch hole I've made with the pencil. I'm just going to do that now. So I planted 9 hollyhock seeds in here. I've just covered them over gently. I've tapped it down. There we go, that's all good. And now I'm just going to give them a bit of water. I like to use one of these little sprayers. We just give it a bit of a water like that. Don't soak it too much. There we go. So that's good enough for that. Now all you've got to do now is put it on a windowsill or in a greenhouse or somewhere where it's quite light and fairly warm. And they normally germinate after about maybe 2 weeks or so. It's a bit variable. And anyway, then when they germinate, you can pop them on into bigger pots and grow them on a bit if you like, or you can plant them straight in the ground. I tend to grow them on a bit longer so they're a bit stronger and bigger, and they're a bit more resistant to an outdoor life. But when you pop them on, do not hold the stem. Carefully tease the seedling out. You can use a pencil just to tease it out and hold it by the leaf. Do not hold it by the stem. Pot it on into a pot, and then you can put it into the ground. They like a really sunny location. They like lots of sun, and they'll grow tall, and they'll be fantastic, and your kids will love them. Enjoy. Over and out.